Waiting be love if you know they, if you know they. It's really not the same. Oh no, I never thought that I could love anybody the way that I love you so completely. Oh my baby, you are the fool me liar. You give me joy, and nobody knows me more. Nobody knows me more than you, oh baby. Cause I love me wrong. No one can please me more. No one can please me more than you. If I don't get you, it's like the sun without the light. It's like the moon without the night. Cause I need you in my life. If I don't get you, it's like faith without belief. Like a heart without a beat. What's a heart without a beat?
We're going out.
Waiting be love if you know show. If you know show. Like water when no they flow.
Nothing without the vegetable.
Oh, I never knew. Say one day now you will go be mine forever. I want you so completely. Oh my baby, oh, you are the body lady, oh, you make me smile. Nobody loves you more. Nobody loves you more than me, my baby, my baby. Cause I love me wrong. No one, and no one can please you more. No one can please you more than me. If I don't get you, it's like the sun without the light. It's like the moon without the night. Cause I need you in my life. If I don't get you, it's like faith without belief. Like a heart without a beat. What's a heart without a beat? If I don't get you, it's like the sky without the stars. Oh, oh, oh. If I don't get you, it's not love if we're apart. If I don't get you, what did I go do?
So I'm gonna allow you.
If I don't get you, it's like a heart without a beat. Without you, I know go beat. Cause what's a heart without a
And
beat?
the authentic potato spice. So I'll just be adding some of our oven dried locust beans. I'm sure y'all can smell it from there, right? So normally when I'm cooking with this, I don't use salt most of the time. And actually salt is not required because I'm using the Int'l. It already has salt. And of course, the seasoning is already pre-seasoned, you know, so I just try to make sure I manage the sodium in the food. Doesn't this look so good, y'all? Just tell me this don't look so good. Tell me. Sorry guys, sorry. So I'm just gonna stir it in and allow it to cook. and I'll be back. Yes, I like when I hear this kutu kutu sound, okay? So now I'm just gonna add my garnishing. And it's ready to be served. Sorry guys, but still, thanks for sharing this moment with us. So tell me, what should she eat with this? Oh, not just this anyway, because I'm still gonna make some fish. You see that? Okay guys, it will just be fair to show you guys the finished work, okay? So as you can see, we have jumbo shrimps in there. You see the Ponmo, and of course you see the snail right there, right there, right there.